welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me for saxophone. And today we're working in the Standard of Excellence Book 1. We're on page 5. Alright, so last time we learned a couple notes. We learned B, A, G. Today we're just going to be basically going over the same thing and just making sure we're getting comfortable with our fingerings, our embouchure, reading the notes, stuff like that. Alright, so just for a quick recap, treble clef is the clef that alto saxophones read in. The time signature tells us how many beats are in a measure and which note gets the beat. So we know 4/4 time, which means we have 4 beats in the measure with the quarter note getting the beat. Okay, and we also know the whole note. The whole note is to hold out for the entire 4 beats, so for the entire measure. The whole rest is its counterpart that we just rest for 4 beats. All right, so let's just go over this again. This looks like it's almost, yeah, this is pretty much the same exercises as last time. The only thing that's different is, one would be for alto saxophones and then for woodwinds only. But you know what? Let's just have a recap kind of day anyway, I guess. So if you're playing with the band, we'd be playing the same thing as we did last time, except for last time you played with alto saxophones, and now you'd be playing with all the woodwinds. All right, so today is just a recap kind of day. All right, so let's play B. And remember, B is just the top fingering only. It's this key here. Okay. And remember to sit well with great posture. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, how was that? Not too bad, right? All right, let's do it again. Are you remembering to ta your note out? Ta, then rest. Ta. Remember, we want to ta it, but don't make it with your voice, just t, ta, ta. All right, let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. How'd you do? Great. Let's do it one more time just to get real comfortable with the note B. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work. All right, let's go over the note A. So all we're going to do is just add down this second finger here. And that's it. All right, so let's play exercise number 2 now. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So not too bad, right? Our embouchure still feels the same. All we did was add down that extra finger. And if you're wondering, A is lower than the note B. So you can see on the staff that it's lower. That also means it's going to sound lower, just to work on some of our oral skills too. All right, let's play it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's move on to exercise number 3 now. And the book is reminding us to use plenty of air. So you should be able to hit those 4 beats with no problem. You should not be taking a breath in between. Remember to breathe from your diaphragm, and we don't want the puffy cheeks. So just tighten them up a little bit and just make sure your air, you don't want any wasted air. So your air should just come straight in and out into your mouthpiece. All right, exercise number 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Not so bad, right? It's just first finger to 2 fingers. First finger, both fingers. That's all. All right, let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Since this is just a recap, I'm going to just do these 2 times instead of our normal 3. All right, so on to exercise number 4 now. The note G. So G is still the first finger to the second finger, so like our A, and all we're going to do is now just add this ring finger. That's it. That's now G. Okay? And G is lower than A on the staff and in the way we hear. All right, exercise number 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. That note really rings, doesn't it? I can hear it echoing off several things in my room. So you'll have to excuse the echo if you can hear it. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Not so bad, right? All right, let's move on to exercise number 5. We're going to just be intermingling between B, A, and G. And the book is asking us about our embouchure and good hand position. So I had mentioned the embouchure earlier where we don't want puffy cheeks. No, just keep it tight. All right, and then our hands need to just be relaxed. If you don't want them too tight, just nice and relaxed, comfortable. You want your fingers to land on the pearl area of your keys. You don't want them like, I don't even know where else they would go, but you never know. Just in case your fingers happen to be elsewhere, they go on the pearls of the keys. All right, let's play exercise number 5 now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. How'd you do? Not too bad, right? All right, let's play it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Still doing okay? Great. Okay, let's move on to exercise number 6. Still just working on the same 3 notes, just mixing them up a little bit. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, on to our last exercise of the day, Woodwind, Whirlwind. That's kind of a tongue twister a little bit. All right, so the book is asking us about our posture, so let's take a moment to talk about our posture. So you want to make sure that you're sitting up straight. You don't want to be slouching, you don't want to lean back in your chair, just nice and straight. You also want to be pretty well to the edge of the chair, so my back is not even remotely close to the back end of the chair. And I scoot myself to the right a little bit. I'm hanging off my chair just a tad bit because I don't want my saxophone banging against the chair. It's gonna just hit against my leg. It's not even close to hitting the chair. So that's about how your posture should be as well. All right, let's play. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. All right, let's play this one again. This is just, once again, intermingling between the note B, A, and G, and making sure we get comfortable with the fingers and seeing it on the stab. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. What a great recap we had. So if you've taken a lot of time to practice the last lesson, this should have felt fairly easy since the notes, the rhythm, everything was the same. Like I said, if we were just in the band, we'd be playing it with just saxophones and then for all the woodwind groups together. All right, well, thanks for joining me, and until next time.